What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Beefy Bee Homestead. Today I'm going to show you something that you can make that will really help you out around your house, farm, whatever it is you may, where you may live, whatever you do. But I'm going to show you how to make a small solar generator with just 3 parts, really. You would need a solar panel or a wind turbine. I would recommend a solar panel. It'll charge a lot faster. But the 3 items I have here is a 12 volt solar battery, and this is actually sold at Harbor Freight. It's a 12 volt, 35 amp hour sealed lead acid battery. It's a deep cycle, and it's made for solar setup. So you can actually get a lot of pretty inexpensive solar parts from Harbor Freight. It's a good place to go if you're just starting out, you want to try it. It's an inexpensive option for you. The second item we have is a solar charger. This will charge your solar battery from the solar panel. So this will take the current coming in from the solar panel, convert it to usable energy to charge the battery. The next item that we have is a power inverter. This is a Jupiter inverter, and it is actually it's a 400 watt, 800 watt peak inverter. So this will allow you to run anything within that range. It's an inexpensive power inverter. It will work well for what we're doing, and this little solar generator will allow you to run things like a car vacuum, small hand tools, things like that. Things that you just might need a little bit of electricity for while you're out working on stuff. And then these charge super fast with a solar panel hooked up to it. We have a nice sunny day today, so I can show you, how it charges. I'll hook it up after everything's all said and done here. I also have some Velcro attached to this battery already. You can see the strips here, and I have Velcro attached to these as well. I already ran the wires for everything, just to kind of help speed up some time. So the first thing that I'll show you, I've got my positive and negative wire wired to the positive and negative on the charger. And then I also have my input wired in. Now this plug is the plug that is on everything at Harbor Freight. So I just figured, for inexpense wise, we're gonna use Harbor Freight panels. We're gonna use the Harbor Freight plugs. I've got the power inverter from Harbor Freight and the battery from Harbor Freight. So the only thing that really did not come from Harbor Freight was this Renogy charger. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to line these wires up in the slots, and then I'm going to Velcro this right to the battery. And just like that, we have our charger in place. Next thing I'm going to do, on the back side, I've got Velcro here for the inverter. So the inverter is going to also Velcro right on here as well. And this is nice. It holds everything in place. Like, you can really wiggle it, and it's pretty sturdy Velcro. But if you need to take something off, you just pull it off, So it makes it really nice. So all we have to do now is just connect our wires as needed. So the first thing we'll do, we'll connect our positives. All right. Now we will hook up our grounds. I drop everything. That's just what I do. All right, everything's all connected, and you can see we have lights on. The battery indicator light is yellow. You can see right there. That means the battery is getting low. And the other battery is just letting us know that it is indicating, or the other light is letting us know that it's indicating the battery. And it's color coded based on the type of battery. So a green is a sealed lead acid, which this is green. An orange light would mean it's a gel. The red light means it's a flooded battery. And a blue light would be a lithium battery. So we're going to take this over. We'll turn on the power inverter. We'll see what it's saying for voltage, and then we will hook solar panels up to it, and you can see a charge. All right. All right, everybody. So we're over here at my solar chargers. I have panels that are outside that I've got some bigger batteries in, but we're going to use these. So this is the cable right here coming in from, let's see, there's 3 100-watt solar panels connected together. So we're going to have up to 300 watts to charge this. So I'm going to plug this in. Okay. There we go. Now we have green coming in. We're charging. The battery is now up to green. We turn our inverter on. We're charging at 14.3 volts, which is perfect charging for a 12-volt battery. So the one thing I didn't do, I'm actually going to unplug the solar panels real quick. And I'm going to see where the battery is at. Okay, so this battery is at 12.8 volts currently. I'm going to just plug it back in. And again, here we are charging. .9 volts is where we're at. So there you go, guys and gals. A super easy, inexpensive solar generator that you can use all over your farm. Use little hand tools. Just makes life really simple, and it's really pretty cost effective. I'll put all the links down in the description for everything that I use to build this. I'll also put a 100-watt solar panel from Harbor Freight on there for you. There's also lots of options on Amazon, but like I said, Harbor Freight's where I did 90% of this, so I'll make sure all that's in there for you. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you next time.